Welcome, everyone. Today we have this property located in Phase 1, Bogue Village. This two-bedroom, one-bathroom home offers comfort and convenience in a prime location. Perfect for first-time homeowners or investors, this property features a functional layout and a welcoming atmosphere. Enjoy easy access to major amenities, including shopping centers, schools, and public transportation. Whether you're looking for a cozy residence or a great rental opportunity, this home is a fantastic choice. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $35,102,430. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Thank you.